Hey guys, welcome back to James Jules. Don't forget to subscribe, turn that notification bell on, and give this video a big thumbs up. And today I'm playing VR, playing Job Simulator. We're gonna start with, let's see. I'll start with Store Clerk. Store Clerk seems good. Should I do infinite overtime? Maybe since this is a new game, we'll just start with normal. Yeah. Alright, let's get started. Alright. Thumbs up to you. Ooh, these tickets? Okay. I'm just gonna grab one of these. Alright, just throw those. Bye. Alright. I'm gonna turn it to there so that I can see everywhere. Alright, let's pull our next ticket. Alright, customer. Hello. Welcome to the Slushy Mart. You moved my mustard. It's my mustard. Just gonna, just gonna put this over here. Slushy machine seems good there. Okay. There's your chips, ma'am. Okay. A little bit. Yeah, yada yada. Alright, these off.
Working good?
Yeah.
Right?
Yep.
Right. Cool.
Yep. Alright, put the meat cylinder on.
Or how much you can do,
Alright, Alright, we're gonna put all the other ones on the buns so that when someone wants a hot dog, they're already ready here. Here, I'm gonna put some mustard and ketchup on there for you. Ooh. Just add a little bit of both. Gotta make it look like it's a little bit of both. Okay. And we're gonna scan it. Here you go. Alright. I'm gonna put the mustard and ketchup back over here. Alright, thank you for the paper currency. Oh, here's your change. Playing a video game. Alright, let's pull our next paper. I'll watch you. You didn't even. Ooh, can I take this? Ooh. Like this too. Oh. Did not mean to do that. Hello, good day, sir. Okay, you can take that back. Take that back. Okay. Guys, I will link in the description my brother's channel. Oh yes, that is a good sale. Frozen slushy. Oh, frozen slushy. I'm gonna do half and half for you. Oh, there we go. Now we're gonna do pink. Yes, I can jumbo size that. Okay, here we go. I already did. All right. $4,205 is your total. Thank you, sir. Alright, who's our next customer? Forgot. Alright, you can. Sorry, ma'am. Alright, here's yesterday's news. Alright, let's do a lot of money. Alright, let's see. Scan that. Yes, ma'am, I can. Ah, so close. I'm sorry, ma'am. I'll just put that in your bag. Alright. Thank you, ma'am. Granny Bot. Thank you, Granny Bot. Sorry I dropped your glasses. Hold on, let me get those up for you. Alright, let's see. Oh, there's stuff under here. Let's get that. Alright, there we go. Oh, where'd you go? Come on. Come on. I got you. Come on. I got this. Ugh. I can't get them. I want to put them on. Can I? Alright. There we go. If I have them on, I won't lose them. Alright, Granny Bot, here you go. Take your glasses back. Here you go. There you go, Granny Bot. Alright, I'll put this in the cash register. Ah, have stuff. No, I want to eat it. It's my lunch break. Lunch break. Mmm, floor pretzels, my favorite. Just put that back. Okay. Alright, we're gonna take this, we're gonna jumbo size it, and we're gonna throw it in the recycling bin. Aw, dang it. Cord was getting in the way. Give me that. Give me this. Here, you deserve this. Haha. You want a hot dog? Good. Lucky for you, sir. I already have those ready. I'll eat this, but you, sir, suck. Ha. Huh. That's $788, sir. I'm gonna eat this. You saw nothing. You saw nothing. Throw it. Dang it. Why do I miss every time? Thank you for coming to the Slushy Mart. How may I help you? Oh, thank you, ma'am. Put that in the back. Okay. Popsicles. Here you go. Or, oh no. Here you go, man. Ooh, popsicles. All right, you get that for free. I said free. All right, whatever. All right, we're gonna do this for about 5 more minutes, cause my screen recorder's maximum is 15 minutes. So good for me. All right, we're gonna do, let's do 2 more orders. 2. All right, sir. Let's do this. Let's get the display. Shake it up. I want to see what happens. Whoa! I didn't even expect it to do that. Alright, I'm done. Oh, poop. That sucks. Alright, let's put this here. Whoa! I did not expect that. Then I'm gonna do it here. Just shake one up, put it there, and then we're gonna put this one right here. Are you talking to me from the bathroom? Here you go. My eyebrow itches. Yay. Alright, so we're gonna do one more order after this, and then I'm done. Mm-hmm. Push. Take the L. Alright, this is our last order. Hello, sir. I want this so bad. Oh, I could give you a popsicle. And a popsicle? Oh, the fridge. I was thinking a popsicle would be better for that. Energy drink. Oh, sorry, sir. Sorry about that, sir. Here you go, sir. Hold on, I'm gonna change my thing. How blurry. Okay, it's not blurry anymore, so we're good. Alright, your total is $3,562. Excuse me? You don't want to pay? Should pull this lever. You better pay or I'll call the cops. Take that. It's free. Alright, guys. So, I hope you guys like this video. That's all for now, guys. Bye. It'll probably be a second in black because I gotta take this headset off and go turn that off. So, I hope you guys like this video. That's all for now, guys. Bye.